Hey guys, today we're going to do a simple one, quick and easy. It's going to be chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, along with some waffle fries on the Blackstone Griddle. As far as the thighs go, they're just boneless. We cut them up a little bit. I'll tell you about it all in a minute. Be right back. Hey, welcome back. So the dinner for tonight is we're having some chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs. I went to the store, I just bought the store brand chicken thighs. There's a picture of them there. And they're pretty cheap. I guess there's maybe $7 or $8 for like 3.5 pounds of them. So did that. Ended up cutting off most of the fat I could find. They weren't too bad. And then slicing them up into kind of wing-sized pieces, and then threw them all into a bowl. Then used some Uncle Steve's shake. Today we're using the sweet and SpicyR. It's my favorite one for chicken, because you get that, the first ingredient, sugar. I think it might be brown sugar or regular sugar, but yeah, it has that sweet, and then you get the pepper and the paprika or whatever else is in there, give you the spicy. They're awesome. Then we're gonna round it out with some waffle fries. We're just going to do it all right on the griddle. It's going to be a good time, and it should go pretty quick. I'm going to go ahead and throw the fries on first, and let those start going, and then we'll throw the chicken on. We'll go from there. Might even throw some barbecue sauce on there at the end. We'll see. All right, we've got everything about medium high. There's some oil down. This is virgin olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Spread these around. Make sure everybody gets a turn. These are the Ore-Ida golden waffle fries. Single file, come on. Good off with that one. All right, should be good. All right, you guys have fun. Get rid of this. Yeah, it just went on the floor, fell right out of the trash. Next, we have our chicken thighs. So these we're just kind of spreading out, make sure everybody gets a good spot. Turn that more to medium-low. All right. Let those go for a bit. All right, next, move these around a little bit. Flip them around. All right, let's move them around a little bit, see how they're doing. Some good color on them. Nice. I made up some salt, pepper, garlic. Sprinkle that a little bit on the fries. Starting to get some color on them as well. Wish that one wasn't all rolled up. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit, down to low and everything. Let these go. All right, let's check these out. Getting there, about 150. And the fat guy over here. Oh, he's up to 190. All right. So there, let me cut this guy again. Yeah, he's 165 on that side. Over here is funny. So let it go up because it's like 160. Cut this guy off. Cut the chicken off. It's going to stay warm for a bit though. What I want to do is take some barbecue sauce. Let's scoot them together. And we're going to move them around together, mix it all up, let everybody get a little bit. Just like we're doing wings. And that's why we picked the chicken thighs, because I wanted some dark meat. All right, we're gonna let that kind of crust up a little bit on there. Again, they're safe to eat, they're done. And you can let thighs go up like 175 if you want, still be nice and moist. Let that stew. Check these fries. They're looking good. I don't know if you could see that. I was thinking you could see that. I mean, these are happy. These are done. Probably take those off. All right, let these guys go a minute. I'm gonna flip them around, take these guys off, and I'll meet you over here with with a plate. Hey, these turned out amazing. See there? They almost look like little wings. They're gonna taste like them too. We'll take a little bite. Mmm. Yep. Got that sweet and spicier on there. Then the barbecue sauce. They're a little crusty because I let that barbecue kind of sticky up at the end there. You got these waffle fries, little brown marks on them. Salt, pepper, garlic. Easy, quick. So good. So, let me know what you think in the comments, whether you liked it or not. You know, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. If you're new here, please subscribe. Got lots of great videos out there. Lots more coming up. So, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. See ya. Mm.